Okay, this is a quick instruction guide as to how I expect you to do your BMRs. The process is simple. Every day we start class doing a BMR. You do not have to use the sheet that's been posted. You can copy the problems one by one into a notebook, and when complete, take a picture of your work and upload it there. You certainly can download and print a copy of that and do the same thing. You could print a copy and take a picture when you're done. Do all the work under each problem. And lastly, those of you who are technologically savvy, you can work right on the computer and fill in everything you need to and submit it. The key is this: do your own work. When you're done, correct it. Be able to explain to me what you did wrong on the problems you did wrong. All work must be uploaded into Classroom in order to receive credit. And this is a daily part of our schoolwork. Thank you.